Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from your video using KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my KineMaster, and first of all, I'm going to show you the original video. Okay, this is for the original video guys, and I'm going to remove the background noise of this video. If you want to do that, we can click on the video until the video is active, and after the video is active or highlighted, you can scroll down on this menu to find the noise remover. Okay, and you can activate this feature to remove background noise from your video. Okay, now it's still processing and we just need to wait for a moment. It's almost done. Okay, complete. And I'm going to show you the final result, guys. It sounds better, right? I'm on the way. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove background noise using KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.